You are the product of your own habits. Yes, anything na ginagawa mo araw-araw, yun ang magiging future mo. Kaya classmate, ito tanong ko. Gusto mo bang malaman kung yayaman ka or hindi? Napakasimple. You just need to beat your daily expenses. Example, if you are earning 500 pesos a day, tapos yung gastusin mo is 300 pesos, ay good for you kasi in the long run, yayaman ka kasi ang dami mong maiipon na pera. And imagine mo naman right now, you are earning 500 pesos a day and you're spending 700 pesos a day. Obviously, alam mo na in the long run, magiging mahirap ka. Kaya we don't need to complicate things. Life, it's so easy. Napakadali lang po ng buhay. If you want your life to be beautiful, make beautiful choices. If you want your life to be excellent, make an excellent choices. Dulo, tayo ang gumagawa ng future natin. At kung anong future natin, yun ang gagawin natin sa pang-araw-araw natin, sa minu-minuto natin. Kaya kung gusto mo ng napakagandang klaseng pamumuhay, simulan mo magkaroon ng desisyon na dapat araw-araw ginagawa mo yung mga magpapaganda sa buhay mo.